All right, I'm out at Ride Kanuga bike park right now because it is the only place you can ride mountain bike in these southern Appalachian mountains because of just the havoc and devastation that Hurricane Helene brought. So today is the first day they have been able to open. We're gonna enjoy it. All right, first lap GNCC. Brakes are squealing. Oh shoot, I gotta bleed my front brake. It's almost pulling to the bar. Oh gosh, there's a rock right in that landing. Goodness gracious. Feeling pretty good. I can't use my front brake though. Okay. Yeah, my front brake is sketching me out a bunch. Whew. Oh man, I was sick. All right, back at the top here. I wanted to finish off the day going down Painted Black, the black steep tech trail here. But with my front brake pulling all the way to the bar, I think what I'm gonna do is bleed it tonight and then come back tomorrow or the next day and hit it up. So decided a fun way to end it, 2 minus 1 lap down Evergreen. Gonna go for my PR, so that means pedaling on the flat bit and like the short little uphill traverse. So yeah, let's do it. I don't know what my PR is, but we'll check the Strava time and see if we do it at the end. So let's do it. I have raced this trail before for some Thursday night race leagues and then some Enduro Southeast. So conditions are pretty good. It's a little dusty. Sun right in my eye. I don't know if that's faster. Woo. Loose, dusty berms. Oh, that sun is blinding. This is that little uphill bit. Oh, I got a side stitch. I might just abandon this. No, let's keep going. Oh, there's been, oh, that's loose. Stay off the brakes. Trust your tires. Oh, forget about that. That one's always a little tricky. I'm gassed. I can tell I haven't ridden in a couple weeks. Case. Oh my gosh. Why'd I do this? Oh, oh, I don't know if I have any left in me. We'll sit and pedal. No, we won't. Oh. Oh gosh, there's a hole there. I'm out of it, dude. Oh, I've had a side stitch since like the beginning. All right, thank goodness. Oh, all right. It felt fast, but I have raced that for some enduros, and I'm sure I pushed the fly bits a little harder. I don't know, we'll see.